Meaning of detective novel.
Detective novel.
Detective novel.
Detective novel.
Detective novel. A detective novel is a genre of fiction that revolves around the investigation of a crime, typically murder, by a detective or sleuth who uses their skills and intelligence to solve the case. The story often involves twists and turns, red herrings, and a complex plot that keeps the reader guessing until the very end. Detective novels are known for their suspenseful and engaging storytelling, as well as their focus on the logical deduction and problem-solving abilities of the detective or sleuth.